The fire crackling gently all the while. Snow is falling down. Guess everything's just right. But I'll be wishing you were here with me. Everywhere I go is Christmas. A town filled with wonder and delight. The season to rejoice brings everybody close. But I'll be missing you right next to me.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Shell, and this time I'm bringing you an easy DIY. I'm doing Chanel inspired DIY fur Christmas boxes. I hope you enjoy.
When Santa's coming round and kiss you right beneath that mistletoe.
Now, every year I love to do DIY fake fur boxes. I've got a number of them which I'll leave linked for you down below. Now, I was recently shopping in my favourite craft store, Spotlight, and they brought out this pre-cut fake fur, guys, and I was really loving the cream colour of this fake fur. Now, I always love to keep a few boxes around because I love creating things out of them. Here I had this one that I picked up from Kmart that had some Christmas decorations already in it. So using the box, I'm going to cut the fur to size.
Got my wishes down to one.
Now what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm measuring it to size. Now I chose not to cover the back of the box. I just felt like it was a waste of fabric. So what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring it up and cutting it across the line where I'm pointing with my finger.
Right here next to me. No, my one and only wishes. You.
Now, when crafting with any fake fur, you do tend to have a lot of shedding. And what I do here, guys, is I just overlap the fabric on all three sides of the box. Then I'm going to hot glue it into place.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Now, because this fabric was cut to size, guys, there wasn't quite enough to place on top of the box. So I will be having a join, which you'll see here. But I'm not too concerned. Your girl Shell just does not give up if things aren't going right. So I came up with an alternative, which you'll see here, where you won't see the join.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by.
Now, once the box was completely covered, I'm then going to take this dollar store glitter ribbon and I'm going to place it over the top.
Happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
I'm going to hot glue the ends underneath the box. Then I'm going to take another piece of ribbon and going crosswise, I'm going to do the same thing.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and
Now, even though I wasn't real happy with the join, guys, I knew that I could cover this with this beautiful bow that I just picked up from Spotlight. I just placed some hot glue behind the bow and hot glued it to the top of the ribbon.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for
Now, printing out a Chanel logo from Google, I took some of my black craft foam. This is glitter craft foam from my local dollar store, and I cut out the Chanel logo and glued it to the front of the box.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I then started on my second box. Now this box was a bit smaller, so I won't have the problem of the join. What I'm doing here is I'm just cutting it to size and again repeating the same method.
Hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by.
I then cut another piece to size for the top and glued it in place.
Stay with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill.
Taking some more of that beautiful gold glitter ribbon, I repeated the same steps as the first box.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
I then added another one of those beautiful gold glitter bows to the top. Now I wanted to add some more Chanel on this box as well, guys. So what I did is I printed out a template from Google of a perfume bottle. I cut it to size on this beautiful silver glitter foam and I traced it out, and then I took some black foam. I traced out a square and placed that in the center of the perfume bottle. I then printed out another Chanel logo and placed that in the center of the black foam.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me
I
give
then
you
hot glued a dollar store silver glitter bow to the neck of the perfume bottle and then hot glued the perfume bottle to the front of the box.
baby with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby with you. Ooh.
I also added one of those beautiful sparkly brooches to the front of the bow.
Ooh, ooh, and in a while we're
I then started on my third and final box. Now what I'm using here, guys, is just a small canvas and I'm going to cover it with some leftover fabric.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby with you, with you. I don't need any presents as long as
I continued to add the fabric around until the entire canvas was covered.
kissing on a mistletoe, baby with you. Ooh.
Repeating the same method, I then added some ribbon. I had a smaller one of those bows which I glued to the centre. I then took some black Chanel ribbon and I placed that in the centre of the gold ribbon. I then printed out a small Chanel logo and hot glued that to the centre of the bow. And here are my Chanel inspired fur Christmas boxes. I'm so happy with how these came. Guys, Christmas is coming around so fast. It just feels like yesterday we were decorating with pumpkins and for Halloween. But here we are already putting up our Christmas trees. And here's a little bit of a DIY that anyone could do, guys. Just a few boxes and some fake fur. Now, fake fur can be quite expensive, guys, when you buy it by the meter. However, a great handy tip here is if you have an old fake fur throw that you're not using anymore, I suggest you cut it up and create some DIY Christmas boxes.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Guys, you know I love creating anything that is sparkly and glam, and I love bringing simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home. Here I took a few cardboard boxes, guys, and some fabric and a little bit of sparkle, and I instantly had the glam factor for my Christmas decorating.
And I lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell, and I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home.
Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to do DIY projects, share inspirational ideas and room tours of my home. If you'd like, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Shell's Glam Home too, where I post daily inspiration of decorating my home glam.
Again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our
I would so appreciate you giving this video a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd appreciate most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Shell's Glam Home family.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.
Leave me a comment down below, guys, if you would like to see more Chanel-inspired DIYs. I'm having so much fun creating DIY projects for you for Christmas, and I can't wait to share them.
And just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your DIY fur Christmas boxes.
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.